Scott pulls the fire alarm at school as a prank / suspended / ultra grounded. Requested by Nancy Maker 2004. Z. Oh no, today I have to go to school, and I hate going to school. Let's eat breakfast and brush my teeth. Scott, try to have a good day at school. And if you get a bad phone call from your school what you did, I will ground you many longer. Do you understand? Yes, I understand. That's great to hear. Man, I hate being school because it's very boring and there's nothing to do. What should I do? I know. I will pull the fire alarm at school as a prank. There is no fire at my school. This is going to be freaking hilarious and funny. Ha 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 ha. Now let's get out of here so I won't get in trouble.
Class, we better get out of the school so we won't burn to death.
Okay, Ms. Green. Is weird because I don't smell like a fire at the school corridor.
Hello, and welcome to McDonald's. May I take your order? I want a Big Mac with French fries, and a Coca-Cola please. Okay, it will cost $37. Here you go. Thanks. It will arrive at any minute.
Students, when we get out of school, I called all your parents to pick you up. School is cancelled until tomorrow. Please try to have a good day.
Look, is my dad.
Goodbye, Carl. See you tomorrow.
You too.
Oh, I got a text message. And it's from Mr. Hernandez, the principal of Plotagon Middle School. I'm going to send a message and I'm coming to the principal's office. What happened, Mr. Hernandez?
Scott did any bad thing. You need to watch the footage. I know. I will pull the fire alarm at school as a prank. There is no fire at my school. This is going to be freaking hilarious and funny. Ha 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 ha. Now let's get out of here so I won't get in trouble.
It was Scott who pulled the fire alarm at school.
I'm going to call his parents about this. Go home now.
Thanks, Mr. Hernandez.
Oh. I got a call from Mr. Hernandez, the principal of the Plotagon Middle School. I will answer it. Hello. Hello, are you Samir Hernandez, Scott Hernandez's father? Yes, I am. Scott did something bad again. What did he do? He pulled the fire alarm at the school corridor when it has no fire. Can you ground him? He did what?
I can't believe my son would do this. Thanks for telling me. I will ground for that troublemaking son right freaking now.
Okay, goodbye. Samir, I didn't do nothing wrong.
Samsung Galaxy S1, S2, S3, S4, S5, S6, S7, S8, S9, S10, S20, S21, S22, and S23. Scott, I am so furious at you. How freaking dare you pull the freaking fire alarm at school? the fire alarm is used for the fire emergencies only, not the freaking prank or test. That's it. You're grounded until Jeep makes sedans. That means no PlayStation 5, no Xbox, no TV, and nothing. Go to your freaking room right freaking now, group of exclamation marks.
Washington, wow, 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 hey.